In this video, we're going to talk about Tubebuddy utilizing the Keyword Explorer, right? What you see on this page here. So we're going to utilize Keyword Explorer with Tubebuddy, and right below this video in the description box, I do have a way for you can download Tubebuddy for you can help you get more views and more subscribers on your YouTube channel. My name is Shelton, and thank you for watching this video, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, right now, I'm at Keyword Explorer utilizing Tubebuddy. So if I go, let me see here. So basically, I'm utilizing Tubebuddy right now. So right now, I'm utilizing Tubebuddy. It's at the corner top here. See, if I close out of this, if I go to here, and then you see Launch Keyword Explorer now. Now we're going to go ahead and type in a keyword because we're going to use this for we can start making type of content based on what people are searching for. Now, one thing you can also utilize is what's trending. If the what's trending has what your niche is or what subject you want to do a video on, then you can utilize some of these keywords that's down here that's already very, very searchable. But if it doesn't fit the what's trending area, you can utilize the keyword box here and type in information. So if I type in make money online as my keyword, then I have all this information that pops up. You see this? Make money online 2022. So but if I say make money, I'll utilize all that as well. But let's go make money online. Make money online. And as you see here, make money online today. And then even got my name in there, make money online 2021, Adam Shelton. But if I'm utilizing this make money online 2021, look what happens. Look at this. You get the unweighted score, which is really good, and a weighted score, which is poor. So that's something to think about. But the difference between weighted and unweighted, you can click on this little question mark and it explains to you what is the difference between the other one and the other. The unweighted one is general score for how good this keyword is to target based on search volume and competition. So that's good. That's good as well. But the weighted score is basically gives you more data. And this is only available when you also a Tubebuddy subscriber. So click on the link below to get access to that. You definitely want that because you want something to help you get the data for you'll know what type of videos to produce of searchable content. How good this keyword is to target for your specific channel based on search volume, competition, relevancy, and how you compare to other currently ranked in search. So right here, it gets a poor score. So then I might think about, okay, maybe not do it on that. Or maybe I need to go ahead and really expand it. What about this? Make money online 2021 teenager. So now if I go to weighted, that's a more better score for that. And unweighted is an excellent score. So then I will probably use this as an option. So if I go to my notepad, let me go to notepad, and I can start making a list of content. So make money online 2021 teenager. So that's going to be possibly an option. So then if I go back over here to my original keyword, let me go utilize what's searchable content that's on video topics. Look at these video topics here. Now these video topics is also stuff I could do, you know, what type of videos to do it as well. How to make money online with affiliate marketing 2021. Let's see what score that gives us. So that gives us a very good unweighted score, and it gives us an excellent weighted score based off my channel. Because remember how good this keyword is to target for your specific channel based on search volume and competition. So something like this, I would consider doing it on. So basically, I can kind of highlight this, you know, and I can say copy that. And then I can say, you know what? Let me go ahead and how to make money online with affiliate marketing 2021. So then that could be another topic I'll do. I'll go back to my original one, keyword, and then I can say these are related searches down here, or I can go to Google, or I can go to video topics again, and really just kind of pick out a couple of keywords or actually topics to me to actually do videos. What is the best way to make money online in 2021? That's a good one right there. Wow, there's so many different ways to make money online. So something like this is good. This is not bad. Unweighted is going to probably be excellent, but unweighted is not that bad. So that's something we can think about, or we can just keep searching. Make money online 2021 free. Let's see what that comes out with. That's a good score. So that's a candidate. You know, if I just want to look at stuff that's very good and excellent, I can just keep searching. I can really keep searching. Video topics, how to make money online 2021 for free. So let's see if I've got content about that. See, that's not really a good searchable score. So even though unweighted is excellent, but my weighted is a little low. So I can just keep playing around with it. I can go back here. And I can also continue the process. How to make money online, make money at home free. Websites to make money online for free 2021. And so let's see what that is. That's a good score. So that could be a candidate as well. You see my drift. So I can kind of, let's say websites to make money online for free. Just make an example. So utilize the Keyword Explorer in Tubebuddy. Click on the link below to really get access to that. I'm telling you, this is something that can really save a lot of time and a lot of effort from you. So it can really save a lot of time. And then from here, you can go back. Let's say, hey, make money. See, make money. I can go back. So maybe that could be my keyword. Obviously, that gets a poor rating. So I need to be more specific. So that won't really necessarily work. I need to go with searchable content. But I can say how to make money on YouTube. How about that? We're on YouTube right now. Let's see what that gives us. Not necessarily the best overall score on the weighted. So then how to make money online without making videos. That gives it a low score. So, you just keep searching. You just keep playing around with it until you get a good score. Until you get a score where you feel like, okay, this will kind of benefit, my content, my branding, so you just kind of keep playing around with it. And that's what I do. I just keep playing around with the scores and like, all right, okay, score here, do my research, how to make money on YouTube without monetization. That could be a good one there, possibly. So that is an excellent one. You see that? Oh man, people are really searching for that. People are really searching for that because they want to make money on YouTube without monetization. That is a good one here. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna do a video over that. How to make money on YouTube without monetization. There's different ways how you can make money on YouTube without being monetized. Affiliate marketing. You also can network marketing. There's different things you can do make money online without monetization, just to let you know. So that's a couple of information I want to let you know. Tubebuddy, get Tubebuddy today. You want to get that weighted, overall score, because they're going to give you the specific information of how you can do that. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos and more information of how to grow your brand and how to grow your bank account, because this is the place to be. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to do another video on Tubebuddy, and I'm going to talk about the Seo Studio. So you want to watch that video as well. And I'll be back for more content. I can't wait to see you again. I'll see you later.